Little Capone, let it compound, get it in, Jaheven, and you know who it is. Hey,
all day already.
Get it in. Who got more mojo than me, Flo Joe? Huh?
Now this nigga right here, that nigga just bust your head.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Gucci, Young, Slim, Teaser,
Cut my braids off, take the fade off.
Huh?
Niggas hate me, shit, I hate y'all.
Huh?
But hate me,
Huh?
so fuck you.
Huh?
Niggas talking about money, what you fucks do?
Huh?
Bitch, better get your mind right. Fucking with me, dog. Time, right? Shit, and time is money. I don't really give a fuck. Clowns ain't shit funny. Don't see me laughing. You see in your head. Don't see me flashing. Nigga, bitch, I keep it real. Southside, bitch. I'm about that murder kill.
Huh?
You see the holes in the flag? Bustin' at these bitch niggas, yeah, I got their ass.
Huh?
I ain't never been a hoe. Never been a bitch nigga. Bout my dope. I be inside your door. Up in your window, bitch, I'm bout mine. Better give me that before I hit you in your spine. Nigga, what you need, knock out your whole mind. Why? Yeah, it's your nigga. What the fuck you mean, bitch? I don't grin. I don't smile. I laugh at you bitch ass niggas. Blast at you bitch ass niggas. Getting cash on you bitch ass niggas. What?
Snitch ass niggas. Oh, faggot ass, duck ass, faggot ass niggas trying to pull the fucking trigger. Internet hating niggas. You talking shit up over internet like I'm in your face. Bring it to the front line. You ain't talking about no space. You ain't talking about the gunplay. So what the fuck is up? I'm going acapella, going dumb. So what the fuck is up? Going nuts, I'm going dumb. Going in, bitch. Fuck your haters, fuck your about my face. Oh, I pull a 12 gauge out. Go ahead, Jaheven, go ahead and really quick.
Tell me what you know about me. Nigga, I hail off the LFG. In the murder me around them Ypsilanti streets. If you talking about heat, then you know I got the heat. Bitch, you don't wanna see me, partner, cause I hit the trunk and pull out the fucking chopper.
Okay.
And hit your bitch ass all upside your head. I don't give a fuck, my nigga. I'm all about my bread. Nigga, you better get your motherfucking mind right, bitch. I'm tight. Bitch, I'm out of sight. You can call me Lil Elroy, call me a Jetson. Cause bitch, I'm getting money and I'm out here vetting.
Okay.
Bitch, I ain't out here venting. I don't really talk shit, but I'm out here shitting. Bitch, you better get your mind up. Nigga, I got my grind up, your time up. I'm about to head down south. I told you, bitch, ho, put your head down south. Now what your head talking about? Trying to see what's all up in your mouth. Probably my name, probably my game, probably THC, straight motherfucking flame. Bitch, you better get your shit together. I don't give a fuck, bitch, I'm out here trying to get the cheddar. Bitch, you better know me, I'm straight freestyling, coming off my head, and you know a nigga wildin'. Oh, now throw that bitch around, nigga. I don't give a fuck, throw my folk to the ground, nigga. Southside, bitch, I'm bout mine. Throw my B's up, CK00G.
Jaheven, what you talking about? Niggas out here green and they ain't talking about that street shit cause they ain't real beef. They is that produce, that clone, that fake meat. And you know we getting that real shit, yes we getting bread. Get the fuck about the way this young vet city getting fed. If you in the way, bitch niggas, you already know what it is. Get it off the floor before we let it go. And you know I'm getting money, get the fuck about my face. Oh, I pull a 12 gauge out and put it to your face. And you know I'm going ham, going in, is what I'm talking about. If you know what it is, then you can walk it out. I'm done. I ain't even about to talk about. I ain't even talking about no shit because I'm gone now. And I know I'm gone. I'm sipping up on that earthly church. Where my bottle at? Where my name go? Where the fuck is it? Earth. Ooh, we goddamn. You know what it is. I'm gonna slizzard off my words, bitch. And I'm with my kin. If you want that problem, bring it to the drama, ho. Bring it to the front line. Front and center drama. Don't stop. Hold up.
Don't let shit. That's what he's all about.
Coogee.
Gotta get my nigga back. out here talking all this and that, but I bust a nigga head and pull it back. I don't really give a fuck, cause about that. Nigga, you don't wanna see me when I'm in the streets. Nigga, you don't wanna see me when it's about beef. Nigga, you don't wanna see me, I knock out teeth. Nigga, you don't wanna see me, I got dough. Bitch, 33s, they'll come through your house, they'll come through your spouse, knock your ass out, and lay up on your couch. I don't give a fuck, but you know what I'm about. Catch me in the hood when it's a drought. I got all that, what the fuck you need, bitch? I got weed, got crack, got weed, bitch. Got stacks, got racks like that. Turn my head to the left, yeah, like that. You don't really wanna see me. I'ma come through like a fucking genie. Rub me wrong way 3 times, and I'ma come out on your ass, bitch, and get the fucking clap. Fuck is at the door, bitch, I'm coming with more. I don't give a fuck, bitch, rain, sleet, hail, snow, bitch, what you talking about? I'ma get mine, sell niggas, quarters, dimes, halves, ounces, hoes, quarters. Nigga, what you need, dog? I ain't no snorter, but I be your supporter. You need that, or you want a big fat meat sack. Bitch! Fat meat sack. Get them quarters, get them halves, even them on sacks. And you know I'm talking about the chickens, maybe quarter birds. And if you got enough money, you can get the word. Tell me what it is, I come and meet you. Don't call me on my next tail boost. I don't fuck with you. I just met you today, up on some random shit. But I'ma get your money anyway and get my bands up quick. Yes, you know I get that money, stack that grand, fuck you haters with that change on your motherfucking head. If you try to disrespect me, yes, you know I'm getting bread. Yes, you know I get this money, White Town is what I said. Yeah, White Town what he said, but right now I'm a motherfucking young bear. See it right now, but you motherfuckers wanna be right now. Yeah. You know, but I